this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove a hacker from your TikTok account. So let's just get straight into the video. To remove a hacker from your TikTok account, immediately change your password and remove unauthorized devices under the settings tab. So simply go ahead and open your TikTok, immediately head to your profile icon, just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on these top right menu icons, settings and privacy. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and look for account, and then change your password from here by clicking on password and simply go ahead and change it. And the second thing, as I mentioned already, is going to be done by simply heading into the manage tab. So security and permission, and then click on your devices right over here. And then as you can see, all your devices are going to be shown. You can simply go ahead and remove it just like that. It is as simple as that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and report to TikTok support as well. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries,